it's time to talk about one of the foundational elements of Node.js and something that you will use in every Node application that you build: modules, exports, and require. The first lecture in this section is a conceptual aside. This time we'll talk about modules. Oh, you know what? Big word alert. A module, a reusable block of code whose existence does not accidentally impact other code. Major programming languages have this feature, and JavaScript didn't have this before. In fact, this is a new feature for JavaScript in ES6, the latest version. However, at the time of Node.js's creation, JavaScript didn't have this. It did have ways to protect your code, to be able to write your code in a module-like format, but it was a workaround. It wasn't an officially supported part or aspect of the language. So Node.js needed to give us the ability to build code modules, reusable blocks where I could put code in that block of code and it wouldn't impact other code in the rest of my application unintentionally. So Node.js implements something called CommonJS modules. Well, actually, one more big word alert. CommonJS modules, that just means an agreed upon standard for how code modules should be structured. You may hear the phrase CommonJS. It's just a set of standards. So Node.js said, the way that CommonJS modules, the way that standard says the way modules should be structured, we agree with that. So we're going to design a way for you to structure your JavaScript code in modules that will follow this standard. All right, so now we're going to see how Node.js modules work under the hood and how you can use them in your code.